Hello traders, today is 25th of March, Wednesday 2020, and I would like to share with you today's best post trade analysis and the result. Just before that, I would like to share with you today's my trading activity. Today was amazing trading day. We had such a beautiful volatility in the market, amazing analysis and fantastic pips. As you can see, I personally managed to squeeze 1447 pips. These are the highest pips in my trading career in one single day, and that's only because of the market condition. And this is the breakdown of all of my trades. As you can see in the London morning session, I had a beautiful, trade counter short trade opportunity on pound yen. That was my best trading pair of the day. I managed focus only this one pair and bank such a good pips. That's 100 in the beginning. I can see I had a few challenges. That's the losing trade twice because I had, as you know, that I always open two position. I close one trade and let the other trade run to maximize the opportunity due to the current market condition. So this was my proper valid breakout short trade. Even price went into the 5-10 pips, but price as soon as the price reversed, I closed my trades in losses. So I take that losses. Then I had it one loss on pound dollar Swiss franc. This was the again breakout trade, but the price reversed and I take that loss. But I personally managed beautiful pips, especially on pound yen trade. My best trade was 200 pips, as you can see. This was the counter short trade, and I'm going to explain you why I've taken that trade and why I closed that trade here. First of all, based on the intraday analysis, when the price, these are the basically what you see, all this blue and green and the red. These are the fib channel, which basically we use it for the understanding the price cycle. As we see, the price reach one cycle, at the time, basically that's what exactly we combine both, and the price value and the time, and when the price reach to finish one cycle, the price need to reverse in order to continue the same trend. So this was as soon as the price developed double top at that level, which I was also watching in a 4 hour, which I explained to all of my traders. And as soon as the price reached to the extreme, which is oversold channel, as you can see it, and I bank my profit target had hit at 200 pips. As you can see that I've opened a 3 position. When I see the high probability trade, I open a couple of positions with a very tight stop loss. So now I'm going to explain you in 4 hours, just to give you understanding how it works. In 4 hour, you can see here the price in the morning was at that level, and I explained to my traders we have one and two and three third touch, and the price was at 100 EMA and plus. Basically, if you look at the previously, the price respected these level, and these were the major resistance levels. We had the two major resistance level. Third one is the 100 EMA, and the fourth one is basically outside the Bollinger Band. And I explained to my trader this is the time to look for the counter short trade, and I personally bank all of my pips here as soon as the price hit this level. So this was the counter trade I've taken. I explained in a high time frame, and then I use our intraday in a system for refine the entries. And as you can see, my trade was at open as soon as the price developed a double top at the resistance level. And then at the New York session, I also bank very good pips, especially again in the pound yen when the price long. My best trade was 170 pips. As you can see, I open a position here and I close here. And I'm going to give you explanation. We don't just follow the indicators. We look at the high time frame, price action movement, and the price cycle, and then we use this system to refine the entry and exit. As you can see here, this is the analysis. In As I mentioned here, this was the counter long opportunity as explained here, and I took a long trade here and I banked some profit here. And not only this one, I was looking in 4 hour, which is I'm going to explain you in a minute. You can see here in 4 hour when the price was at the major support level, which is 130,000 high, big psychological number. And also we had at another support trend line. As you can see, we had a two beautiful again support, major support. One is the trend support, trend line, and another one major support here, and the third one inside the Bollinger Band with the combined with it. So we need a valid technical entry, and that's what I explain to my traders, looking at a high time frame and maximize, just focus only one pairs. As you can see, I personally open a three position with a very tight stop loss, and as soon as the price developed another pullback, I did another analysis, and I explained to my traders to look for another pullback, which I also bank. This, you can see, this is another pullback trade. As soon as the price hit, I also bank 68 pips on this trade. So, and my last trade, beautiful trade, was the dollar cat. As you can see, because of the volatility, right? So it's amazing, opportunities we had it. This one again, 82 pips. If you click on this one, you can see this was the consolidation breakout, and as soon as the price broken and retest, one to third touch, and I take a short trade here and bank a such good profit. And also, I did analysis before I open any position. You can see this was the analysis I did, and that's what exactly I opened my position and bank some profit. And let me give you example why I take how I did analysis in 4 hour. As you can see in 4 hour, I explained to my traders that beautiful opportunity, beautiful breakout, and this is what happened, breakout, and I bank such a beautiful 82 pips on dollar cad. So as, and the last trade was 35 pips in profit, which is again pulled back. As you can see, before I had a short trade here, which I closed my trade very quickly. As you can see, -3 and -4. As you can see, this was the breakout short trade. Even the price went in profit, but as soon as the price reversed, I closed my trade. I explained to my traders, because I was watching in 4 hour, and I explained you why I closed these trades quickly, and consider taking that losses. In 4 hour, you can see the price was at this level, and I was expecting the price gonna break and possibly hit, he's gonna hit here. As soon as the price is reversed, I close my trade, and then I open another position here along and made a 35 pips, which is, I'm going to explain you here with that analysis. And this was the last trade. As you can see here, as soon as the price broken this resistance, and then after that, basically we need a valid entry, pullback, or breakout. As you can see, after the breakout, beautiful program based on the momentum, I take a, two positions and bank some profit. I close one of my trade at the 12 pips, and the last my 35 pips stop loss, my profit target profit hit. So you can see, guys, that's what exactly we keep an eye very, you know um, seriously, all those pairs. As soon as the price develop the pattern, we broadcast and we bank some profit, and that's what exactly we do. And that's the experience we want to give end user, to see how we analyze market in the real time. So if they need any help at the right time, at this, in the real time, so they can ask question through live chat, or I can also basically answer through live audio commentary. And one of the membership, we also provide an audio chat, so they can talk to us through the platform. They can join our professional trader group, where they can see how we professional basically talking and taking those trades and banking pips, all these type of pips. Okay, so this is what exactly we do. I do analysis in real time, which is the recording is available for the members. All the analysis broadcast instantly at the analysis section. You can see all the red one and all the green one. As soon as we bank some profit, or as soon as the price move according to the price, according to the analysis, we broadcast that update instantly in the real time, through live audio commentary and through here. Even some price does not follow our analysis, we also keep up to date through live audio commentary. And if the traders need any help, they can ask questions, and this is the experience we want to give end users. All right, guys, amazing trading day. A bank is such a beautiful pips, 1447 pips. And this month I'm gonna have amazing month. We haven't finished it, we have a few more days. As you can see, 9,118 pips. That's amazing. That's only because of the market condition, guys. This is what you need to understand. Normally average I get, like, even a month, 1300 pips, 1500 pips, even 560 pips, and today I made a 1400 pips. As you can see, that's only because of the market condition. So this is the right time to basically learn forex trading, and this is the right time to practice because there's so much volatility. You will understand, and every single trade are 100% based on the fundamental analysis plus the technical analysis plus the price pattern, which is the all the information cheat sheet is given. If you want to analyze which pattern is this, you can just open price pattern cheat sheet, and you can verify all our analysis through this pattern. All right, guys, so you can see 1447 pips, amazing trading day. Okay, let's back to the analysis. Okay, I'm gonna do quickly analysis because there's too many analysis. So as you know that these are the intraday analysis with the live audio commentary support. As you can see on the left hand side is the analysis, the right side is the trade taken based on that analysis. Pretty straightforward. Triangle pattern breakout on pound dollar, beautiful long trade, and Euro USD breakout long trade, and pound yen pretty straightforward breakout long trade, dollar CAD pretty straightforward breakout long trade, Kiwi dollar breakout short trade, dollar yen breakout long trade, pound Swiss franc beautiful breakout long trade and pullback. That's what I'm explaining to you guys. Once the price broken this pattern, and then we continuously monitor that pattern, and we explain, okay, another pullback is performing, guys, another pullback performing is, and then we explain to traders through this analysis update. So basically it's in real time learning. Basically they can learn what's happening here, how the professional is analyzing. This is a beautiful Aussie dollar pretty straightforward. You can see this is black. This is the bullish flag pattern breakout long trade, and euro yen flag pattern breakout pullback long trade, and pound dollar. This is a beautiful breakout long trade. We will keep an eye for hour based on that. I explained to my traders. They were saying, okay, the pound is gonna go down. I said, guys, these are the levels. If the price break in either way, just go with the flow. As you can see, beautiful breakout, and I said to you guys, we look another pullback. You can see pretty straightforward breakout, pullback. There's another pullback, beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the final target, then we announced to bank some profit. Euro pound pretty straightforward, triangle pattern breakout and pullback short trades. And pound dollar, as you can see, the price hit to the extreme level. Then I explained to my trader, this is the way we should be looking at counter short trade. Beautiful short trade. We had a bank of beautiful pips because I finished my lending morning, but you can see beautiful short trade we had it. Euro Swiss franc pretty straightforward channel breakout long trade. Pound yen, this is the trade I've taken, guys. As you can see, the price developed double bottom, double top, and as soon as the price broke on this support, I said it's time to bank some profit. And price even went up and touched this level, but I said, guys, I'm going to be holding that trade. As you can see, we were looking in 4 hour, which I just explained to you guys. Beautiful short trade, beautiful 200 pips on pound yen today. Pound yen pretty straightforward. Another New York session, beautiful breakout short trade. Dollar CAD, beautiful breakout short trade. Pound dollar, this is again flag pattern, developed breakout and pullback short trade. And Kiwi dollar, pullback short trade. Pound dollar, pretty straightforward breakout and pullback short trade. Pound yen, pretty straightforward flag pattern breakout short trade. Pound Swiss franc, flag pattern breakout and pullback short trade. Pound yen, this is the counter long trade, which I explained to you guys. I also manage my best trade, 170 pips on counter long trade. Beautiful trades on pound yen. Pound dollar flag pattern breakout long trade, and euro Swiss franc triangle pattern breakout long trade. Euro USD, as I mentioned, you breakout pullback after the breakout pullback long trade. And dollar CAD, beautiful flag pattern breakout and pullback short trade. Beautiful. As you can see, I personally manage 82 pips on this trade. And dollar Aussie dollar pretty straightforward. You can see after the breakout, as I always mentioned, break pullback long trade. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoy all the trade explanation and the analysis description. And this is all because of the market volatility and due to the current situation. I would say this is the best time to learn and develop a forex trading and take the maximum benefit due to the market condition. And if you If you want to watch live intraday analysis in real time with the live audio commentary, most welcome to join our professional trader community at forexeasytrades.com. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for the latest analysis. And thank you for watching this video. I'll see you next time with more analysis.